This video will quickly explain how to solve the error in Adobe Premiere called the importer reported a generic error. The fix works to get Adobe Premiere or Adobe Premiere Elements to recognize your proper, not corrupted MP4 file into the timeline. The video assumes, number one, you are using a Windows-based system, and number two, you have file extensions visible on your computer. If you do not, simply go to Folder Options and uncheck the box, Hide Extensions for Known File Types. This will allow you to see the extension at the end of the file name that says .mp4. Next, go to the folder where your video file in MP4 format is located. Right-click on the file and change the file extension from MP4 to MTS. If you are concerned about the only copy of your video being modified in this format, make a copy of your video and do this on a copy of the file so the original file remains intact. Once your file has been successfully renamed to .mts format, all you have to do is simply drag it into the timeline. This solution basically works 100% of the time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.